Hello guys, welcome back to Indian Coinage channel. Do you have hobbies and interest in collecting the coins and currencies? Our channel will help you to provide the rare information of this. Kindly subscribe, like and share. Post your valuable comment to no further delay, just get into the content. Today we discuss about 50 pice fisheries mule coins sells at shocking price. This 50 pice model was from 1986, weight is 5 grams and metal composition is copper nickel. It is a commemorative type coin. Let's check out the history of these coins. As taking lot of Indian coins, you see the terms FAO at the reverse side of the coin. FAO is an acronym of Food and Agriculture Organization. FAO is under United Nations. The main objective of the FAO is to change the farming techniques there to develop the production in agriculture and also suggest the hygiene foods to every people. It states and getting the merit like food for all. October 16 refers to World Food Day. In every year they conducted the program with a certain theme by bringing the changes according to that. In 1986, they focused on fisheries. It depends on a lot of plans conducted that year. So only this kind of coins was released on that year. If you wish to know this kind of historical information, keep watching out our Indian Coinage channel. The left of the coin is normal one, but the right side coin, the upside one, that means the front side which is totally different. This one is mule coin because they notify little changes of both the coins. Looks at the coins, seen the dot marks as border near to the rounder edge of the coin. Generally mule is an offspring of a donkey and a horse, but in case of mule coin is the combination of two coins. Reverse side of the mule coin looks like 50 pice fisheries coin and the upside side of the mule coin looks like a 50 pice Indira Gandhi coins. Like upside or reverse origin is differing, so this one is rare. This kind of fisheries coin was printed in 3 different places like Mumbai, Hyderabad and Calcutta, but Calcutta Mint have only released both normal and mule coins. This kind of coin was sold a few years before at famous auction websites like Classical Numismatic Gallery Auction. Look at the proof. Estimated price of the coin was 3000 rupees to 3500 rupees and the product was sold. Item sold and price is mentioned there. Don't forget to press the bell button for future notification. See you on next video. Thanks.